Do you think the factories in China and Vietnam would be excited to work with a startup like that and help them through the design and development phase, plus deliver a tech pack at the end of it?
Unfortunately not.
I believe I can sell this dress for $200. I'm willing to pay anywhere between $20 to $30 ex-factory price. But I only want to do 150 pieces, 3 colorways to start. Do you think the factories in China and Vietnam would be excited to work with a startup like that and help them through the design and development phase, plus deliver a tech pack at the end of it?
Unfortunately not, because it's difficult to 150 pieces at $20 each. That's not a lot of money to a large company that has staff and a team and needs to invest the days and the weeks that it takes just to set up this whole project, to do a design for you, to do patterns and specs and samples, communicate with you for a few months, sort out all the logistics, because you're paying for production on such a small unit cost that unit cost is tough to cover all of the development costs and team that are needed to just set up a design and style and do all the legwork, basically.
Right.
If it was a order of 1,000 or 2,000 pieces, then okay, maybe, but still, it's not easy to. There's a lot of work involved in development, and the factory isn't even necessarily in that business. They don't want to be in that business. They're not necessarily designers. They're in the business of mass production. So you're asking them to do all the development for free, then not a lot of return.
Yeah.